5 crafts and 5 minutes. The first decor piece, I'm going to be using rope and 2 wire baskets. One is round and one is square. And I was excited to find these at Dollar Tree because I've never seen them in gold, but I found them. So I'm just going to take the first square basket and wrap the rope. Not wrap it, but take it in and out of the top part until I make like, I'm going to leave the top part of the basket out. I'm going to go in and add my famous pom-poms. Next I'm gonna be making these beautiful pillows. I found this fabric at Walmart on clearance for $3, and it's like a creamy white. Use my hot glue to seal it. And this is the filler that I'm gonna use. And I'm just gonna stuff my pillows until I feel like they're where as thick as I want them to be, rather. And now I'm just gonna close them up, but I'm leaving the tucking in my corners. This is some more fabric that I found, and they're like $1.74, I believe. They're different prices depending on the pattern that you want, but they have a bunch of different selections in the crafting section. And I just cut each piece into 4, but I'm only going to make 1 pillow. I've already made my 4 pom-poms for it, and I'm just going to add those and then stuff my pillow and close up the top. And here is my 2 cream pillows. Here's my yellow polka dot pillow, my square basket, and my round basket. You can add whatever you want into those. And this is my completed look, you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't already, and just be on the lookout for more videos, you guys. Thanks for watching, and I love you guys. Bye.